just arrived at Hanoi airport in Vietnam, and I am taking the public bus into the old quarters, and it's bus 86. It's just outside the airport down there. It is possible to take a taxi or a Grab. They don't have Uber here, I don't think, so maybe a Grab, but I feel it's a little bit more adventurous to take a bus, and it's cheaper. I jumped up the bus and I have a 15-minute walk to my hotel, and I've been to Vietnam before many years ago, and I completely forgot the craziness of the traffic. It is awesome. Yes, I'm basically walking on the street, and when you have to cross the street, you just have to walk. I mean, they will stop because there will never be a time when there isn't any traffic. And here's why you can't really use the sidewalk. It's normally busy. So it's just a lot easier to walk on the street. It is very hot. I think it's about 32 or 33 degrees and humid. It is 3:30 in the afternoon. So I can't wait to go to my hotel, take a shower, hopefully find some water, a soda, or something cold to drink. I'm so happy to be here. I'm so excited. I just turned in my laundry. It was 3.5 kilos, and it cost 140,000 Vietnamese dong, I think it's called, which is less than $5. So, and then she's gonna text me tomorrow via WhatsApp when it's ready. Easy peasy and cheap. So yeah, it'll be nice to have some clean clothes again. Let's go get some dinner. I got a recommendation from my hotel about the banh mi sandwich that's very popular here in Vietnam. So I found a little restaurant, and I ordered the banh mi sandwich and a soda for only $2. And I can sit up here and have a nice view. And this is the banh mi. It's like a baguette. Oh, there's toasted. Got some veggies and some pork, I think it is. Good morning. It is 8:30 on my first full day here in Hanoi, and I signed up for a walking tour. So I am just gonna head over to the meeting point, which is about a 10-minute walk away. It's gonna be a good day. I'm excited. It's almost 30 degrees already, so it's gonna be a hot day, but I love it. Everyone's waiting for the train. I feel like I'm the only one over on the sunny side. It's very hot, but at least I got a good view. made my way to the pho restaurant that the receptionist at my hotel recommended. I love this recommendation because otherwise I wouldn't have picked it, because there's so many restaurants, it's impossible to pick and choose. So yeah, I really appreciate that recommendation, and now I'm excited to get my first pho. So this pho with cooked beef, noodles, lots of coriander. You can opt without if you don't like it. And a glass of tea for just $2. Very nice. The presidential palace, where obviously you can't enter. And this whole neighborhood is full of embassies and government buildings. It's very different from the old quarter. The boulevards, or the streets or boulevards, are bigger. Still, traffic is the same, but it's much more quiet, not as hectic. Yeah. Sadly, I can't go into the Ho Chi Minh Museum. They're getting ready for the Independence Day on Monday. The weekend night market is more than 3 kilometers long and goes on every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday night. Let's go check it out. It is now 8 o'clock and this square has been turned into a walking street with no motorbikes, no cars, no nothing, and it's nice and quiet. Hanoi has been incredible with the chaotic traffic, the cheap and delicious food, the people, the weather. It's been really hot here. Love it. Tomorrow I'm heading out to the coast. See you then.